Hey everybody, today we're going to be doing a cold start on a 7.3 that hasn't been started in 2 or 3 years. The turbo had been completely rebuilt, taken apart, and been having a lot of crank no start problems. I think I finally got it figured out, and I'll show you if it is in fact what I thought it was. I'll show you what it is in just a minute here. It's wiring going to one of the sensors, just kind of crappy wiring. Sorry about the sunlight, but I think I got it figured out, and hopefully in this video I can show you. It'll be a real quick video too. So here's the truck. It's kind of a work in progress. Very torn apart, you could say. I am rebuilding the front end to it. I'm going to put new doors on it, new interior into it, needs new body mounts, and of course it hasn't run. I traded a real nice car for it, but this is a real expensive truck. You wouldn't know it looking at it. Looks like a big pile of turds, but it's a manual. It's a 7.3 Power Stroke manual, and at the time I traded it, they were going for around 9 grand, which they're still pretty expensive right now, mostly because it's a manual. So the E4OD automatic transmission that came in these trucks are absolutely junk. Never buy one. If you do buy one, plan to switch it. Not with another E4OD. Put like an Allison transmission in it because they suck. Otherwise, just buy a different truck. The automatic transmissions in these were never good. So, the problem I was having was a sensor that is right down in there. So it's behind the fuel pump. Try and get a good look on that. It wasn't, well actually at first it wasn't plugged in. And then it actually started to fire again, which is great because it wasn't firing at all beforehand. So, well, I'm really hoping that it's gonna go now. It's got a Wicked Wheel Stage 2 turbo kit, new rings, or new bearings and all that turbo fun stuff. I don't actually know that much, I wasn't the one who did it. And then when I originally rebuilt it, one of the O-rings rolled over underneath the turbo, and these are stupid turbo setups are how they're mounted. So it rolled over and it just started pouring oil right underneath the turbo. I know it's dark in there, but I took it all back off, and I would recommend, if you're doing one, to take the turbo and the pedestal off. I mean, together if you can get them, take them off however, but I would recommend putting the pedestal down first and then doing the turbo, because I think when I installed it all together, there was just too much stuff rolling around in there, and I put it all in at the same time. There's not much room for it. I was hoping that it would save me some time because it would only be 4 bolts and I wouldn't have to take all the everything out of the valley. It wasn't exactly how it worked out. So you got to put in your fuel pressure lines first, then you got to put in the turbo pedestal, and you can put everything else on from there. And it sucks, but it's the way you got to do it. So hopefully she'll be firing today. I am just currently charging the batteries because I killed them earlier on working with it. This is my beautiful 69 D200 Dodge. It's a swept line, 3/4 ton. Mechanically it's all been rebuilt. Interiorly it's not great, but it's still pretty nice. It's old rebuilt 360 with a cam in it. I sure like the truck a lot. But yeah, we'll see if this thing will start. So, I'm going to show you how to use starter fluid in these big trucks. So, it's not typical. You can't just spray it and hit the key because you're going to blow your face off. Glow plugs burn super hot, and so if you throw, you know, direct ether straight onto them, if you throw too much, you're going to hydrolock the motor. If you don't throw, if you throw it before it's done cycling the glow plugs, then you're going to get a fireball in your face. So what we do is turn the ignition on, wait to start, wait for the wait to start to go away. Okay, now the wait to start went away. Now we're going to wait 30 seconds. So we're going to count down from there. 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. And I remove the boot from the air cleaner because you don't want that to burst into flames to go directly into there. 3, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30. Now they should shut off. So that was plenty. Now we're gonna try and crank it, and that's how you use ether on a 7.3. Shut the key off this. Listen the old girl run. There is no exhaust hooked up right now. It's just a downpipe, but boy am I happy. This thing hasn't started forever and I finally figured it out. Thanks for watching today. I'm super happy.